Hello everybody, Ali here, and let's just quickly take our sells on crude oil April contract. Okay, here you go. The orders are set. It's a beautiful second leg to the downside. Let's just quickly place our buy limits and sell stops in order. 27 point scalp. So it's an intraday crude oil trade. We have first leg up, second leg up, and the third leg up. So now all of a sudden there's a huge sell-off. What happened is they have like a retracement, and then we are waiting for the second leg to the downside where the buyers may take it to the new highs. So the main target is selling the second leg of the crude oil. So this is like first high, second high, third high. The price drops all of a sudden. So that's the first leg. It retraces a little bit. So let's just first leg, and then retraces a little bit, okay, and then drops back down, and that's what we are waiting. That's where we are in the trade for the second leg, and then where the buyers may take it to the new highs. Imagine you're a buyer. Of course, definitely you don't want to buy way up. You want to buy in the green zone where the price is. So we are selling the second leg. Target is a little bit aggressive, so I don't want to see the second leg a new low, but I want to take out everything at the previous swing low. So that way we'll have more faith in the trade. Then we have more room to trade. We have more room to manage it properly. So let's give it some time. Let's see how things will go. I wanted to see going much quicker how it is going now. So I hope it can just take me right away in this candle. But let's hope so. Let's give it some time. All right, we are very close to our target. Let's just trail our stop. Okay, there you go. No need to trail. It's really nice trade. 27 points. So it's $10 for 1 point. So $270 on the trade on crude oil intraday strategy. This is actually, I'm so sorry about this. This is the candle selling signal. This bar as inverted hammer, as you say. You can go a little bit lower in right away, but I waited for the close of the candle to sell it back down to the lows. So it may go lower, but since it's a day trading and crude oil is up for the day, so definitely looking for longs. For short timers, for scalps, definitely a nice selling bar. And after the confirmation of the proof that sellers are in the trade, and we can take the trade. Nice beautiful scalp to the downside, 27 points. When we have one push up, second push up, and third push up. So don't try to jump into the trade by thinking that this is just a pullback. We may have one more leg to the downside. That's what we are here waiting for. That doesn't mean it will go all the way here, but it means that we'll be breaking this low, and we'll be making a new kind of low, and then taking control of the buyers. Why it happens is because buyers don't want to buy the price this high or even this high. Those buyers who miss initial entries, now they're seeing the price already at the highs. That's what buyers don't want to see. What buyers want to buy? Buyers want to buy a low. So what they'll do is they'll buy a deep down. They need a deeper correction or retracements. Once it's done, they'll add on contracts for the new high. So hope you learned something, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.